What is it?
You invited us coming or not?
Nah. Losers.
I think you're recording right now?
Yeah. Yeah. Say what's up. Say what's up, Ben. Get in the camera, Ben. What do you do for a living, bro?
I don't do anything.
Alright, let's get this ride going. So it's the last few days of Florida winters here. You know, it's late January, almost February right now, and the weather is likely gonna take a turn to the worse. You know, meaning no more 65, 75 days. It's gonna be nothing but 85, 95, 105 days going forward. So we decided to take advantage of the lovely morning today and go out and have a nice ride. Head out to the lake, maybe get some lunch out there, and you know, head back basically. It's funny because if that Ducati just twisted that throttle, none of us would catch him, I think. What is this, some like polo club, I think? Yeah, look at him. Look at him. Holy shit, I've never actually seen this in real life. That is hilarious. That is so funny. Oh man. Never actually seen people like playing polo like in real life. That felt a little funny to me. Look at that. That's an Apocalypse Jeep. Shit is cool. Yeah, we're in a pretty well-off area here in Wellington, Florida. It's nothing but equestrian clubs. I don't know if that's how you say it. Look at that. There's like an actual film crew. There's a guy on top of his car, like filming with like a news camera. You got these people playing polo. Oh man, it's that rich people sport. It's like hockey on horses, I guess. I think that's what it is. Or it's like a mixture of hockey, handball with sticks and horses. Fun stuff, huh? Yeah, it is. What parade is this?
I have no idea. There's a sign right there. Sign over there. I can't read it.
Oh. I can't read it either.
Walking over there. Cruising for Crime Stoppers.
Cruising for Crime Stoppers. Oh, they have a police escort, huh? Damn. All right.
Ride this shit as far as we can and merge over.
That's fine. Too funny, dude. It's a lot of traffic for a Saturday morning. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. done it a while back, but there are pops. Alright, here we go. Now we passed all the traffic, and there shouldn't be more traffic up all the way onto the lake. So let's see. We definitely burned a lot of gas though, so yeah, it's all good. Alright, let's enjoy the ride. You guys good? All good? They're good. They probably just dropped something, or something fell or whatever. I've only been out here once before, to a little town called Pahokee or something like that. It's right on the lake. It's alright. I mean, never wanted to go out again to this area, but I guess, like, you know, with the group, it's pretty fun. The bumpy road, huh? Well, that suspension is doing pretty good. That lowrider ST suspension. Man, this is one bumpy road. A little while back, like, there was such a crazy bump that I kind of, like, my butt came off the seat, you know, because I didn't see it. But yeah, so I gotta reduce my speed a little bit, even though this suspension is honestly doing a really good job. But I don't know if you can see the guys up there, and they're like jumping up and down. It's crazy road. But yeah, props to the suspension, man. If it was the stock street bob suspension on the bike, then probably would have hurt my back right now. But this feels great, even though these bumps are freaking annoying. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but like, boom, 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 I'm going up and down, up and down. That's crazy. Such a bumpy road. It's like I'm riding a fucking horse. You know? Weird. Damn, there's like 3-4 big gators just chilling. I'll try to zoom in the video to see if we can see them, if we can catch them on the camera. You see that? Yeah, big mother, bro. Yeah, we'll go back. You want to go back? Let's go back and see him. Big ass gators. I've never seen ones that big. Sheesh, look at that. Oh my god. You see it? Holy moly, there's another one right there.
What happened? Why did we stop?
To look at the gators?
Gators? Oh, just for the gators?
Yeah. Yes. Anytime I see a gator, I'm gonna stop to see it. See ya. There's a lot of them, bro. Well, hey, I've been wanting to see a gator all year, bro. I haven't seen them in a minute. And yay, I got to see one today. Hey, bro, watch out for the gators, homie. That dude's just sitting there and fishing. Oh, there we go. There's the lake. Bro, it's so big you can't even see the other side. Freaking cool. Alright, so it looks like we're about 5 miles from the restaurant or whatever. Or our first stop where we're supposed to get lunch.
Miles.
Dude, that road was bumpy as shit.
Horrible, dude.
Hey.
Horrible. Gators were cool, though.
They were cool. This is what this guy does in a nice, reputable place like this one right here.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it, Ben. What the hell, man? Alright, alright. So we just had a pretty decent meal. Beef O'Brady's. It's pretty good. Wasn't too bad. Now we got about an hour and a half ride back. I think Ben wants some donuts, so we're probably gonna head up a racetrack to get some donuts. I got a 155 mile range. We good. At the gas station, boys. Feeling better, Ben? With that donut?
Don't make fun of my Disney pass.
Good. You're welcome. Yes, sir. Dude, that bumpy road was scary. At one point, I was talking to him, and I only had one hand on the handlebar. And we hit a little bump, and it did that whole little thing, bro. My hard drop, dude. F***ing A. What a mess.
There we go. Anybody else need fuel? I'm 10 miles in. Thank you, gentlemen.
How many riders does it take to fill up gas? Alright, what way are we taking?
Are we taking Canner across to Indian Town? I mean, if you guys want to, that is...
There's this one right here. It's a straight shot down. Boom. Through Indian Town.
And then jump on 95.
And then jump on, no. Jump on like 441 or whatever the fuck it is.
Let's go. Come on.
Or it's the turnpike. It's one of them. So what, you want to do that one through Indian Town? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You just said that, right?
I guess.
The one that you guys press start?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Alright. Alright, it's 72 miles to the house. Let's do it. Alright boys, so it's nothing but probably a boring ride to the house. I'm probably gonna say my goodbyes right now because I just looked at the battery and the battery on my GoPro is pretty low. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And you know, I'm gonna try to bring in more and more videos every time we go out riding and stuff. All right, I'll see y'all on the next ride. Peace.